So here we are inside this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom mobile home, 1978, fully paneled, fully carpeted. This really cool faux brick wall. Love this layout, this little slanted wall here that leads into the kitchen, which is also fully carpeted. Might want to update that. But it's a good layout, lots of cabinets, lots of space for a table. You can certainly eat in this kitchen. And a few windows, so it's nice and bright past this little pantry closet there. Now down the hall into this first space, which is a really large space, apparently was used as a music room. Still has its own light fixtures on both sides of this room. So more than likely a wall was taken out here to make this one large room instead of 2 bedrooms, which it still could be reconverted back into 2 bedrooms, or it could be left as this one large bedroom with another back large bedroom. Then down the hall, you see behind these level doors is where your washer dryer hookup, your back door egress is there, and into the back bedroom with 2 good sized closets, both with sliding mirror doors, built-in drawer system and desk. Second closet. And then there's an entrance to the hall of this bedroom, and there's also an entrance into the bathroom off of this back bedroom. So let's go in. Although this vanity only has 1 sink, it definitely is large enough to have a double vanity if you wanted to update this bathroom. There's another exit out into the hallway off this bathroom or into the bedroom. Thank you.